Hello everyone, this is Saram. I'm the designer and developer of DeliverGroceries.ca. So, the problem that we were facing was actually twofold. Number one, doing groceries these days is an absolute hassle. And to find a delivery slot in online grocery apps such as Instacart can take you ages. But most importantly, for the elderly, going to a brick and mortar store to do groceries can be very, very risky. The other side of the problem was that because of the lockdown, a lot of small businesses are hurting. Specifically, this cell phone repair shop that's based out of Burlington called TechGenius, they used to provide a delivery service to their clients. But after the lockdown, their delivery manpower was getting underutilized. So to fix the problem, we created DeliverGrocery.ca. It's a hyper-local delivery service. So the way it works is you come to the website, you fill out the form. We will call you to confirm the order. Once the order is confirmed, we'll go ahead and purchase it for you, and then we will deliver it to your doorstep. And you can pay for your order either through cash or through e-transfer. But we prefer that you pay through e-transfer because that allows us to execute a no-contact delivery. So, since we are focused on supporting our community, we don't care about scaling our solution. And that has allowed us to make the UI UX as bare bones and as simple to use as possible. So all you need to do to place an order is just fill out this form. You don't need to create an account. You don't need to enter your credit card information. You just need to fill out this form, and that's it. So let's talk about the impact. So we launched our app around 5th April, and up until now, we've seen more than 11,000 unique page views on our website by almost 7,000 plus unique visitors. And we have successfully delivered 80 plus groceries. And let's look at the response. So this is one of the feedback that we have gotten from our customers, and we receive these type of emails almost on a daily basis. So now for the techies out there, the way I've built the website is I've used Nuxt.js framework to generate static website, and I'm hosting it on Firebase, the free plan of Firebase. So it's not costing us anything to host the website over there. And all the illustrations that you see on the website are custom made. So for example, 2 days ago, I updated our meta image using this illustration that I made over the weekend. So just to reiterate, DeliverGroceries.ca is a hyper-local delivery service. We don't charge you any markup. We don't charge you any delivery fee. And we make sure that the delivery is no contact, or we try to make sure that delivery is no contact. Hopefully you enjoyed my pitch, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.